Look, Hulk killed our mans.
Hulk, why did you kill your own peoples? We are not here for war. War, ha ha ha. War is started now. I have told your animals to stay away from my peoples. You have seen how I destroyed your soldiers. You are thinking to live in jungle with these stupid animals who serve for nothing. Not even they can help you. You are in a war with your own peoples for these animals? Why? I think we should start fight. Take your position. You guys are out of your mind. Now you will pay for it. Not me.
Hulk, don't be crazy. Animals are part of our nature. Don't kill them.
Enough. Bas, both ho gaya. Let me talk to him. And the talk is, let's fight.
You will fight with my army? Attack! Oh yeah? I need help.
Ui, pitää pikki hoja.
Oh yeah, ciao. Ciao. All ready.
Spider-Man? Superman? What else? Don't expect mercy? Ha 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 ha! Now I am going to kill your animals too. You are over, Hulk. Look what you have done, stupid. Tubakwas Banker. Shut up, you insect. It's not over yet, Superman. I will not stop. I will finish all these animals. You stay away from this and go away. Let me finish this war. Superman, you away from this. Let me finish this. Superman, you see, this is all. We are not so weak. We can defend our animals. We were just waiting if he listened to you, as he was one of you, but he start war and stood against his own peoples. He was so bad guy, but we didn't understand why he changed so much, why he became so cruel. Look, Superman, almost all over. We both lost our peoples. We can't bring them back. See, we have Dino, we have Hippo, we have power. Give message to your world. Don't fight with us. We want peace. We want friendship. We want your peoples to stay away from our world and let us live in our jungles. Hypo, bring the machine and remove this part of scrap from here. Simba, we are sorry for the lost. We have tried our best to stop the war and save lives, but you have seen. He left no choice to us, but we are friends. We will make the jungle again for you. We will protect you. We will be with you as your family. We are the family. Let's start a new world. A world without war and fights.
Across the diverse tapestry of our world, humans and animals share a unique bond, a friendship that transcends words. In the gentle gaze of an animal, we find trust and loyalty, and in our care, they discover kindness and protection. It's a connection built on love, respect, and the beauty of coexistence, a testament to the profound harmony that can exist between us, reminding us to cherish and protect all creatures, great and small.